work done in Tableau Desktop that vary in security, interactivity, and data freshness. Images and PDFs do not contain the underlying data and are static, both for any interactivity and for data updates, because they're simply snapshots taken at a particular time. Workbooks, either packaged to contain the data or not, can be shared with others who have Tableau Reader or Tableau Desktop. Tableau Reader can view and interact with workbooks. Tableau Desktop can view and edit workbooks. Packaged workbooks may contain the underlying data and are not encrypted. Non-packaged workbooks require the recipient to have access to the same data source, as they do not contain the data themselves. Workbooks can also be published to Tableau Online or Tableau Server. These workbooks are secure, fully interactive, and can be scheduled to have data refreshes or maintain a live connection to the data source. Published workbooks can be accessed via any major web browser, as well as on mobile devices with the native Tableau app. Views can be exported by going to Worksheet, Export, and selecting Image, Data, or Crosstab to Excel. Selecting Image brings up options for what should be included, such as legends and titles, as well as the layout. And the file can be saved in various formats. Dashboards and stories can be exported by going to the Dashboard or Story menu and selecting Export Image. The dashboard image will be the current state of the dashboard. The story image will contain the current story point in its current state. The entire workbook, or a specific sheet, can be printed to PDF by going to File, Print to PDF, and choosing the appropriate settings. Printing the entire workbook includes each story point. Workbooks in Tableau can be saved either as .twb files or .twbx files. TWB files are not packaged with the data itself. They contain just the information needed for the data connection and construction of the view. Opening a TWB file requires access to the same data source used to create it. TWBX workbooks are packaged. They contain the information in a TWB and can contain any data in local files, such as background information and custom geocoding. As noted previously, .twbx files are not encrypted and have no data security. Opening a TWBX file with data shows all the underlying data. Packaged workbooks can be opened with Tableau Desktop or Tableau Reader. Opening a file in Desktop is the same experience as authoring a workbook. There is full functionality, including the ability to edit or create new worksheets from the data. Tableau Reader can open packaged workbook files to be viewed and preserves full interactivity of the workbook contents, including dashboards, stories, and any filtering or other actions, but the workbook cannot be edited. Finally, workbooks can be published to Tableau Online or Tableau Server. Workbooks that are published are secure, fully interactive via a browser or mobile device, and can be set up for automatic data refreshes or connected live to some data sources. For more information, please see the video on publishing workbooks to Tableau Server or Tableau Online. Thank you for watching this video on distributing Tableau content. We invite you to continue